The Piston Force Interactive Calculator helps engineers determine cylinder forces and sizing requirements for hydraulic and pneumatic applications. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. You can calculate force extending, calculate force retracting, calculate required pressure, calculate required diameter, or calculate rod diameter for target retract force. For this demonstration, we're using calculate force extending. Enter your pressure P in PSI. We'll use 100. Input your piston diameter D in inches. That's 3.5. Add your rod diameter DROD in inches, 1.25. The desired force F field is for other calculation modes, as is target retract force. Now let's calculate. With 100 psi pressure and a 3.5-inch piston diameter, we get a piston area of 9.621 square inches. The effective area equals 9.621 square inches for extending calculations. Our extend force calculates to 962.1 pounds force. Retract force shows NA because rod diameter is needed for retraction calculations. The primary result confirms 962.1 pounds force, with status showing extending stroke. This tool streamlines cylinder sizing and force verification for your hydraulic designs. Find the link in the description below.